A few years ago, a young woman moved to the UK with a big dream. She came to study law, finished her master's degree in law, and later used the post-study work visa to gain experience. After that, she found a job in legal aid. A job, legal aid, they help people who cannot afford lawyers. She worked hard, loved what she was doing, and hoped to build her future in the UK. But there was a problem. Her salary in that legal aid job was not high enough to meet the new visa rules. Even though she was educated, highly skilled, and adding value to the society, the pay for her role was still low. Because of that, she was told to leave the UK. And she left. She had to go. So, a few days ago, I made a video about jobs we look down on but pay huge money abroad. And here it is today playing out. And the funny thing is that when I was in Nigeria, I grew up believing that, as long as you're a professional, as long as you're a medical doctor, you're a nurse, you're an engineer, you're an architect, you're a lawyer, you're an accountant, you will earn very well abroad. But the reality on ground says otherwise. Abroad is really, really different. Sometimes, many times, it's not even sometimes, many times people in trade jobs like HGV drivers, plasterers, dry liners, plumbers, or even decorators, most of them earn more than the professionals. So that is why this lady's situation feels so sad. She did everything right. She studied here, worked here, paid her taxes here, and contributed to her community. Yet her salary did not match up the level required for her visa. And I often hear people in the legal aid role, complaining that their salaries are low, even though their work is very, very important. It's really sad, honestly. The whole issue shows how important, as in, salary does not always show how skilled or hardworking a person is. Some people with high skills earn low simply because their industry pay lower. Okay? And when the rules are based on salary, person like this lady can be affected. So her story is a reminder that what does her story teach us? That abroad is not always as people imagine it. That's simply what the story is all about. Because it's not her fault. Okay? She's got a master's degree, but it's not any of her fault. So do have a great day. Bye.